Hey guys, it's Aaron.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back. It's Felix. And so, apply to be a columnist on The Jacket. The Jacket is an entirely student-run newspaper and one of the best student publications in the entire nation. Columnists write one column every 2 weeks about a theme they are passionate about. Applications can be found online at berkeleyhighjacket.com/apply. Share and email applications with Elliot Mark at elliotmark@students.berkeley.net by January 22nd, 2021.
Hey, does climate change freak the heck out of you? Do something about it. Join BHS Sunrise Club, a unit of the Youth Lead, nationwide sunrise movement fighting through activism for climate justice and towards the Green New Deal. For more information about our movement, please watch the video included in the student bulletin. There's also a sign-up form included in the bulletin. Email us if you have any questions at sunriseberkeleyhigh@gmail.com.
Do you have any broken stuff? Why not learn to fix your stuff instead of sending it to a landfill and spending money on replacements? In these training sessions, you will learn hands-on skills in how to diagnose and repair your broken belongings. You'll also learn about the impact of throwing things away and how you can do your part to help the environment. The training will run from January 29th to April 30th, 2021, meeting once a week via Zoom from Fridays 3 to 4 p.m. Sessions will be taught by Cal students along with community repair experts. The January 29th session will be a brief introduction. An overview of repair concepts will start in February, and then in mid-February, the class will focus on hands-on repair training sessions covering basic electronics such as phones and tablets, appliances such as lamps and headphones, clothing, bicycles, and skateboards. Contact info@transitionberkeley.org or call 510-332-9456 for more information and to enroll.
For all of those of you looking to get more involved with the Berkeley High community, ASB Leadership offers you an opportunity to work with your peers in service of bigger issues. If you see yourself as ASB president, class president, or vice president, or even just in this position as chief of publicity, then you need to run and campaign and get your classmates to vote for you. Applications for elected positions and appointed positions are now available. Visit the ASB Leadership website now to see which positions are available and their job descriptions. Contact Noah Tablum, Commissioner of Elections, or Mr. V for more information.
So the Redwood Literary Magazine at Berkeley High has published its latest issue. Read fiction and poetry written by your peers at redwoodberkeleyhigh.com. Are you interested in writing for Redwood? Our meeting for new members is on Friday, January 22nd. Please email redwoodberkeleyhigh@gmail.com for more information.
For high schoolers, there are two primary pathways into Berkeley Schools Volunteers, which is a program of the Berkeley Public Schools Fund. Students who can give at least an hour every week can join Berkeley Schools Volunteers as a distance learning volunteer. Students who have time every once in a while can join Berkeley Schools Volunteers COVID response email list to get notified about and sign up for other district-wide projects. Take a look at the bulletin to see how to attend the January training orientations and the available projects. You might support online in whole group Zooms, in small groups, or even in projects that are ongoing, like staffing the Ed Hub every Tuesday, Thursday afternoon. BSV also has periodic one-time events like assembling science kits or restoring a school garden. We hope many of you can join us on the front lines of BSV's COVID response during this very difficult year. Please reach out with any questions. Duffy Ross at berkeley.net. That's all, guys. Thanks.
All right, then, you guys. See you next week. Remember, stay safe and wear a mask.
Yeah, juice, the jackets, juice, the jackets, what?